There is a $7 bottle sitting in almost every drugstore, every gas station, and probably under your bathroom sink right now that can make your windshield wipers last up to 5 times longer than they normally would. And the reason most drivers have never heard of this isn't because it doesn't work. It's because auto parts stores make a lot more money selling you a brand new set of wipers every few months than they'd ever make teaching you how to keep your current ones working. I found out about this from a guy who managed an auto detailing shop for almost 20 years. I brought my car in for a full detail right before winter, complaining that my wipers were already streaking and chattering across the windshield, even though I'd only had them installed a few months earlier. He grabbed one blade, ran his thumb along the rubber edge, and said, "Your wipers aren't broken. They're just dirty and dried out. Nobody ever told you that." Then he walked over to a shelf, grabbed a plain bottle of rubbing alcohol, and showed me something I'd never once considered doing to my own car.
Here's what's actually happening to your wiper blades that most drivers never think about. That rubber edge doing all the work isn't just wearing down from use the way a lot of people assume. It's also collecting a thin film of road grime, oil residue, tree sap, pollen, and general atmospheric gunk every single time you drive and every single time you park outside. Add sun exposure into the mix, and that rubber starts to oxidize, meaning the surface literally breaks down and hardens at a chemical level, the same way an old rubber band left in a drawer eventually turns stiff and cracks when you try to stretch it. Once that oxidized layer builds up, your wiper blade can look perfectly fine sitting there, while functioning terribly against your glass, skipping, streaking, and chattering, even though the blade itself still has plenty of life left in it.
This is the part almost nobody tells you. That streaking and chattering you assume means your wipers are worn out and need replacing is very often not actually a worn-out blade at all. It's a dirty, oxidized one. And when you go replace it with a brand new blade without addressing the actual problem, that new blade starts collecting the exact same grime and oxidation almost immediately, which is exactly why so many people feel like they're replacing their wipers constantly, sometimes every couple months, and just assuming that's normal.
So here's the $7 fix. Rubbing alcohol, sometimes labeled isopropyl alcohol. The same bottle sitting in most people's medicine cabinets already for cuts and scrapes. You don't need some specialty automotive product with a fancy label and a higher price tag. Basic rubbing alcohol, at around 70% concentration, which is the standard version sold almost everywhere, works perfectly for this. The method is almost embarrassingly simple. Take a clean, lint-free cloth, an old microfiber towel works great, dampen it with rubbing alcohol, and firmly wipe down the entire rubber edge of each wiper blade, running the cloth along the full length of the blade several times. You'll actually see a grayish or brownish residue transfer onto the cloth, sometimes surprisingly dark, which is exactly that built-up film of road grime and oxidized rubber finally coming off. Do this on both sides of the blade edge, not just the side facing you, since the rubber makes contact with the glass on both edges as it moves back and forth across your windshield. Once you've wiped both blades down and the cloth is coming away clean instead of dirty, you're done. The whole process takes maybe 5 minutes total for both wipers, and it costs you nothing beyond the alcohol you probably already own. Now, I want to be upfront here, the same way I always am on this channel, because overselling something helps nobody. This trick works exceptionally well on wipers that are dirty or lightly oxidized, but not yet actually torn, cracked, or physically damaged. If your wiper blade has a visible split in the rubber, a chunk missing, or the rubber has become so brittle it's cracking apart, no amount of cleaning is going to fix physical damage. At that point, you genuinely do need a replacement blade. What this trick actually does is address the far more common problem, which is a blade that looks fine and still has structurally sound rubber, but is performing poorly because of surface grime and oxidation buildup, rather than actual wear.
Here's why the 5 times longer claim isn't just a catchy hook. Wiper blade manufacturers typically recommend replacement every 6 to 12 months under normal conditions, but that recommendation assumes zero maintenance in between, which is exactly how most people actually use their wipers. Once oxidation and grime buildup start degrading performance, most drivers replace the blade entirely rather than clean it, often within just a couple months of noticeable streaking. By regularly cleaning that oxidized layer off with rubbing alcohol, roughly once a month or anytime you notice streaking starting to creep back in, you're removing the actual cause of premature failure before it forces an early replacement. Detailers and some careful drivers routinely stretch a single set of wiper blades well past a year, sometimes close to 2 years, simply by keeping that rubber edge clean instead of letting grime accumulate until performance tanks and a replacement feels necessary.
I actually followed up with that same detailer a few weeks after he first showed me this, mostly because I wanted to see if it was a fluke or something that actually held up. He had a work truck in his shop that ran daily deliveries, wipers used constantly, exposed to every kind of weather. He'd been cleaning that truck's original wiper blades with rubbing alcohol every few weeks for almost a year at that point, and they were still performing like new. Meanwhile, he pointed out a different vehicle that had come in for service, less than 4 months old, with brand new wiper blades already streaking badly because the owner had never once cleaned them. Same basic exposure to weather and road grime, completely different outcome, just because one set was getting a 5-minute cleaning every so often and the other wasn't.
Let's talk about the actual money here, because that's really the heart of why this matters. A decent pair of wiper blades typically runs somewhere between $15 and $40, and if you're replacing them every few months because of streaking that's actually just grime buildup rather than genuine wear, you could easily be spending $60 to $100 a year on wipers alone. Compare that to a $7 bottle of rubbing alcohol that can last through dozens of cleanings spread across an entire year, sometimes even longer, and you're looking at potentially saving $50 or more annually just from one 5-minute habit performed with something you probably already own. It's not a massive number on its own, but stack it up over several years of vehicle ownership or across a household with 2 or 3 cars, and it adds up to real money for almost no effort.
There's also a practical safety angle worth mentioning, because streaking wipers aren't just annoying, they're genuinely a visibility issue, especially during heavy rain or nighttime driving, when glare from oncoming headlights combines with streaked glass to make seeing the road significantly harder. A lot of people put off replacing bad wipers longer than they should simply because it feels like a minor inconvenience rather than an urgent fix, right up until they're driving through a downpour at night, straining to see the lane markings. Keeping your existing blades performing well through regular cleaning means you're less likely to be caught driving with degraded wipers simply because replacing them slipped down your to-do list.
Let's talk about why this isn't common knowledge, because the answer follows the exact same pattern you've probably noticed in a lot of these videos. Auto parts stores make a meaningful chunk of their revenue from wiper blade sales, and a typical set of quality wiper blades runs anywhere from $15 to $40 a pair, sometimes more for larger vehicles or premium blades. If every driver in the country started cleaning their existing blades with a $7 bottle of rubbing alcohol instead of replacing them every few months, that's a real, measurable dent in a very steady revenue stream. Nobody's holding a secret meeting to hide this from you. It's simply that nobody selling wiper blades has any financial incentive to teach you how to make the ones you already have last longer.
There's also a seasonal angle worth mentioning here, because timing actually matters with this trick. Grime and oxidation buildup happens faster during certain conditions. Heavy pollen season in spring, road salt and grit during winter months, and general dust accumulation during dry summer stretches all accelerate that buildup significantly faster than mild, clean weather does. If you live somewhere with harsh winters and heavy road salt use, or somewhere with intense pollen seasons, you'll likely notice streaking creep back faster and need to repeat this cleaning more often during those specific months, sometimes every couple weeks instead of monthly.
One more detail worth mentioning, because it makes a genuine difference in how well this works. Before wiping the blade down with alcohol, give your windshield itself a proper clean first, using regular glass cleaner, not just a splash of wiper fluid while driving. A dirty windshield surface can actually recontaminate a freshly cleaned wiper blade almost immediately, since the blade is dragging across that same grimy glass every single pass. Cleaning both the glass and the blade together, rather than just the blade alone, gives you a noticeably better and longer-lasting result.
I also want to mention a small bonus trick a lot of detailers use alongside this one, since we're already talking about extending wiper life. After cleaning the blade with alcohol, some people wipe a very thin layer of a specific rubber conditioner product, the kind made for vehicle weather stripping and seals, along the blade edge, which helps keep the rubber more supple and slightly more resistant to future oxidation. This step is completely optional, and the alcohol cleaning alone accounts for the vast majority of the improvement. But if you already have a rubber conditioner sitting around from detailing your door seals, there's no harm in giving your wiper blades the same quick treatment. So here's the actual takeaway. Before you throw down $20 or $30 on a brand new set of wiper blades because they're streaking, grab a bottle of rubbing alcohol you probably already own, a clean cloth, and spend 5 minutes wiping down the rubber edge on both blades. If the streaking clears up, which it very often does, you just avoided an unnecessary purchase entirely. And going forward, building this into a monthly habit, especially during pollen season or winter salt season, is genuinely one of the easiest ways to stretch a single set of wipers well past what most people assume is their normal lifespan. If you want more of these quiet, practical fixes that never had a marketing budget behind them, the kind of stuff mechanics and detailers know but never bothered advertising, stick around and make sure you're subscribed because there's plenty more of this coming.